is I'm going to take you through a complete setup and configuration of Ordership Express, and then we'll see how it works. So I've already installed it into Business Central here, and I'm going to go out and now configure it and get it working. So the way we do that is you either start with assisted setup and you run the Ordership Express setup wizard. So I'll just open up assisted setup here. And from here, we can run this Ordership Express setup, or I can come in here and, just do the Alt Q thing, the search, and run the Express setup wizard from here as well. It doesn't really matter where. So first thing, you can read the license agreement, you agree to that, you hit next. And now this allow web requests, we have to prompt you to turn this on, but you kind of have to turn it on. If you don't turn that on, nothing's going to work. So turn that on and we'll enable everything for you. And then next, we're going to come up and it's going to ask us to set up an EasyPost account. So what the heck is EasyPost? EasyPost is the provider we use to get you your rates and your labels. So you're going to set up an EasyPost account. It doesn't cost you anything to set it up, to test it, to use it, all those sorts of things. I'll talk about the billing information a little later on. But we're going to set this up and get going. So all you do is you click this link, it'll open up a new tab, and you simply fill in your name, your email address, set up a password, everything else. You get an email, you verify it, and you're good. I've already done this because the email takes a few minutes to get in. So I'm just going to go and log in this account I've already set up. And again, there's no credit card or billing information or anything you need to enter when you sign up. You simply go in, put your information in, you get an email, you verify, and you're in. That's it. So I've set up my EasyPost account. So that's all done. Now, if I go back to my Ordership Express here, the next thing you're going to want to do, when you first set up that account, by the way, it'll walk you through a setup checklist that eventually will take you to the point where you can add a carrier. And this is what we need to do. We need to specify that we are going to use UPS and USPS. So the other way I can get there is just by clicking this link, and it takes us into our carrier accounts area. You can also get to that through the setup checklist down at the bottom. Now, here we can see it's asking us to set up a UPS account. This is the digital access program. This is not going to use a standard UPS account. You don't have to go to ups.com and set up your account or anything like that. All you have to do is click this, obviously read the agreements and everything, hit create account, and it's going to send us an email in 5 or 10 minutes with the validation that account is set up. So now if I scroll down, what you can see is we've got our UPS account set up, and we've automatically got a USPS account set up. So as soon as you sign up for EasyPost, you automatically get the USPS account for you set up. Now you can add other accounts in here, and some of these may make it to Ordership Express down the road. You can set up these additional accounts if you like, but again, right now you can't use them in Ordership Express. Okay, so that's it. So again, all I did was I signed up for my account. That took a couple of minutes. I clicked this link to create my UPS Digital Access Program account, and I hit next. And now what it's asking for are these things called API keys. And the API key is just the, sort of the authentication we use to talk to EasyPost. And up here, it gives you a nice little link that you can use to get to those. So I click on that. It takes me into my account. And here we can see we've got a production one and a test one. When we're using the test one, it doesn't cost you anything. You can generate all sorts of test labels, play with it, get it working using just your test API key. But we need to copy both of these back in Ordership Express. So I'll just hit copy, go back in here, hit paste, come back here, grab my test one, hit copy, come back here, hit paste, hit next. And now it's asking me if I want to apply the default configuration, which we want to do because it's just going to do the basic setup and everything for us that we want. If I hit yes, it's going to import some information for me, set up my accounts, and we're done. And that's it. Now, after I do this the first time, it also pops up the Express setup page, and everything's already set up. But the one thing you might want to do in addition is this freight billing. What this allows us to do is go in and add additional freight charges to sales orders, and either as a GL account or a resource. I'll do a GL account here, so we'll come in and we'll do, we'll just get my shipping charge account. So we'll grab that guy, and over here, this markup percentage, we're getting discounted rates from UPS and USPS. So ideally, you want to mark that up so you're actually making money on your freight. So let's say 20% on UPS and 25% on USPS is going to be our markup on what we pay for that shipping. And that's it. I'm now completely set up and ready to go.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.